Uh, Good afternoon, everyone. I am Saranya, Assistant Professor in Computer Science and Technology from SNS College of Engineering. Today's my topic is in reinforcement learning. A reinforcement learning is the branch of the machine learning that focus on how agent can learn to make a decision through trial and error to maximize the cumulative rewards. Here that the reinforcement learning allows the machine to learn by interacting with an environment and receiving a feedback based on the action. These feedbacks come in the form of rewards or penalties. The reinforcement learning revolves around the idea that an agent, the learner to decision maker, it is an interact with an environment to achieve a goal. The agent perform the actions and receive the feedback to optimize. It is a decision making and over time. Here the diagram to mention the agent, the decision maker. Then the environmental is the world or system in which the agent to operates. Then state it means the situations or condition that agent is currently in. Here the action is mentioned by a possible moves or decision the agent to gain make. Then reward means the feedback or result from the environment based on the agent actions. How reinforcement learning in works? The reinforcement learning process involve an agent performing the action in the environment. The receiving a rewards to penalties is based on those actions and adjusting its behavior accordingly. The loop of helps the agent improve its decision over time to maximize the cumulative rewards. Here the breakdown of the reinforcement learning components is the policy, uh, reward functions the value of and the value of functions, and then final was in model of the environment. A policy is a strategy that the agent used to determine the next action based on the current state. Then reward function, a function that provides the feedback on the actions taken and guiding the agent towards its goals. The value of functions to estimate the future cumulative rewards the agent will receive from the given state. Then model of the environment, it representation of the environment that predicts the future state and rewards and aiding in planning. Here that imagine a robot navigating a maze to reach the diamond while avoiding the fire hazard. The goal is to find the optimal path with the least number of hazards while maximizing the rewards. Here that the two conditions point. One is in each time the robot the move the currently, it receive a rewards. Then if the robot take a wrong path, it loses point. Here the robot learns by exploring the different path in maze. By trying the various move it evaluates the rewards and penalties for each path. Over time the robot determines the best route by selecting the actions that the highest cumulative rewards. The robot's learning process can be summarized as the explorations, feedback, adjusting behavior, and optimal path.